Today we're out a walk up the wind turbines, heading there at the back out towards the number 12 one, I think it is. It's at the furthest point out in the park. A bit cloudier today, but non-stop. Got a bit of lunch for us today, so can't wait to get a wee stove fired up. And this is where I usually come up for the back of the house and come across the wind parks. So just as you can see these trees there in the distance there, that's where we're heading. So take you guys along with us today and share anything we can see en route. Yeah, well, lunchtime today. A couple of square sausage with black pudding in the middle, a couple of rolls, and a wee cup of tea. And the location, you couldn't get any better. I'm out for my wee walk today with the camera, and I've come across this location here, so I've set up for lunch. I even took time to set up the hammock. So I'll be on my seat once I get everything cooked. Absolutely fantastic. Well guys, can't beat it. Afternoon tea, roll square sausage with black pudding, a brew, perfect surroundings, just peace and quiet, me and the birds. It's fantastic. Out for my wee walk this afternoon, and I'll come to another wee location. Same wood that I've been in most of the last week, but the opposite end, and again another wee undiscovered gem. So cheers, I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I'll get back to you just in a little bit. Oh, you can't beat it. Well, this is this new secret location I've found. It's not too far off the beaten track. If you look back around that way, guess what? There's the turbines where I come up every day. So this one's a dead handy wee one. It's following a deer trail in that I found it. And it's absolutely stonking when you go around the corner here. Just imagine a deer walking around here. It's like a wee hidden valley. The wee river runs along the bottom there. Along here like this. Still following the deer trail, you can see it there just in front of me. So this will be the next location for the field trap. There's other tracks here in the soft muck, so they've been here recently. You can see it in the fresh grass there, where they're crossing, either going down for a drink or crossing over into the other forest. But, aye, lovely wee bit here. So this is what I found today, and stopped here today and had my lunch. Oh, fancy that, there's a hammock down in the trees there. I wonder who had that. That's a beautiful wee location here. What better way to spend an afternoon?